Itong aking customer, napuyat kagabi sa kanyang Christmas party. So, tuloy pa rin because she's going to attend a party. She used her Hello Kitty dressy. So, kahit inaantok siya, tuloy pa rin ang kanyang pagpapa-beauty. O, diba? Nakita niyo. Inaantok na, tuloy pa rin ang pagpapa-beauty. Sit properly, madam. Paano tayo makaka-attend ng party? Okay na ba yung hair mo, madam? Naku, wala no comments. Okay. See you later.